we got all the puppies gathered around. Go to the next one. Alright, we're at the Mario, but Plush and Public Collection Part 2. Welcome to the Plush and Puppet Collection. Like, you seen the montage of, like, those clips that you saw from the beginning of the video. Yeah, those are my old plush puppet and collection videos. I don't even know how to say it. Yeah. So, here's every single plush and puppet that I have. So, yeah. We'll start off with Luigi. So I know Luigi doesn't have his hat because this happened. Because I was filming a video called Chucky Series Episode 4, but I decided to not post it though because I was lazy though. That's the reason. And we got Chef Pee Pee. I had this puppet for like 4 years. Next year it's gonna be 5 years. So I'm posting the X-Men Doom movie next year, because it's been like 5 years since I've been making videos. My first Mario plush. This was the very first Mario plush that I had, and I'll still use them. I'll use them for the movie, mostly. Yeah. And here's the Pikachu that you saw in the Pokemon video. And let me show you all my SpongeBobs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, 9 SpongeBob plushies. That's a lot though. Anyways, I got mini SpongeBob and Patrick and 2 Planktons. Where's the Plankton? Where is the other Plankton? I can't see him. And here's the mom from the Capri Sun commercial. Yeah. They're wondering why her eye is missing, because when I got her, her eye could easily fall out. So yeah. I got not 1, but 2 Toon Links and a third one. I wanted to use this one for the Junior Goes Back to School Part 3, but I wanted to use this one. You guys know. And I finally found the other Plankton. And here's the scientist from the Chucky show. Oh my god! Here's the scientist from the... Oh my god! Here's the scientist from Chucky series. And I hate this character so much. Like, I hate this character. And here's the reasons why. I'll show the video now. Hey, you got him out of here. Pee-pee grabber.
Hey, hey! Can you make my pee-pee bigger?
No.
What are you gonna do with Kool-Aid? He's a doll.
Well, this is the Jones Kool-Aid.
Like the Jim Jones Kool-Aid?
Yes. Squirt this juice on Chucky's face. Squirt the juice on Chucky's face.
Okay. This is gonna stop him. This will stop him.
Now get the f*** out of here. Here's the Toad from Toad Gets Stuck in the Fridge video. But I mostly never use this character. And there's a Plants vs. Zombies plush. But do you want to see the crackhead Garfield? Well, here you go. Give me some lasagna. Here they are side by side. This is a huge ass plush collection. I'm not gonna lie. And sorry that didn't make a Halloween special. But I'll tell you what it was supposed to be about. It was supposed to be about the Michael Myers parody. And I want to show you this. I got this Mario for my birthday. And there's no trace of this Mario plush could be found anywhere. Except that movie that I watched. So yeah, that's the only trace of information from this thing. That's from a movie. So yeah, maybe I could probably count all of these plushies. Oh no, it might take a lot of time to count all of them. But I'll be right back. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this plush collection. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. And here's a cool one.